What's up everyone, welcome to the part 4 of how to make an Android application. So in this video I'm going to explain you how you can build a mobile phone inside your computer inside a computer. Anyways, so let's get started and let me show you how we can do that. So as you can see it in front of your screen, you will find out there is Avd Manager. So that is actually a mobile phone which is going to be created by Android Studio itself. You don't have to download something else. It is already going and install it inside your Android Studio. All you have to do is click on that. But in my case there was a problem that my CPU does not support VTX. So that was my fault, and actually I didn't want to use that one as well. So this one is going to run because as I showed you about my SDK and show you about SDK Manager. So as we have downloaded this, let me show you. As we have downloaded the part which I was showing you, Intel Hexam. So let it load for a second. So there you can see as it loaded over here, so which I was saying that you should have Intel.emulator, so Hexam Installer. So this is going to be the best one which is going to be help you to download Avd Manager and from that Hexam and play that one. But I don't have VTX support, so that is why it is not going to run, but in your case it might run. If not, don't worry, and show you the different way of how we can do that. And second thing, what do you need to do is all you have to do is connect your mobile phone and keep it inside a developer option. This is my mobile screen, this is my physical device which I have in my hand, and you can see it on your computer screen as well. So let me show that. I'm going to go and apps and go ahead in settings, and then so I'm going to head on about device, and after about device you can scroll it and here you get the build number. So click on build number 7 times and it is going to enable the developer option which will be connected to your PC. So after the developer option is there, so click on developer option and after that hit on enabling in USB debugging. So it is unchecked, so it is not going to work, but you always have to click on check and it is going to become a developer option, so you can connect it in your mobile phone and it is going to get access to mobile phone. So I'm going to go back, so cancel that one. But right now I'm going to, as a tutorial, find out another way of how we can do that. Open a browser. I'm using Mozilla Firefox or you must be using Chrome, it doesn't matter what do you use, and type GenyMotion, and here it is saying GenyMotion Android emulator. So open up the site because I was having the problem of VTX, so I found out the solution inside the Google and I was looking forward to how should I resolve that, and pretty much that doesn't help me out with that. So all you have to do is click on accept, and they were showing from this website you direct download that one, but when I visited this website everything was changed and only thing you have is buy now. Why should I buy it? All I have to do is get a free version, but in this case all you have to do is buy that one. So that was pretty messed up for me, and as you can see 136 per year. So why should I buy it? So I skipped this part and was looking forward to how should I resolve that. So I got another way which is file hippo. So and click over here, and here what do you have to do is from this website is actually going to and give you the link of Virtualbox. So right here you don't have Virtualbox, so for that I visited a new website and there I typed Virtualbox and I just downloaded a Virtualbox inside my computer. There you can see Oracle Virtualbox. So there you can see that I got Virtualbox from another website and GenyMotion from another website, and I just installed both of them, and from there I found out the solution that how we can run it in another way. If this is telling you that you need to buy it, we have another way to do that. So from here you can visit and all you have to do is download this one. So I'm not going to explain you how you can install it. From that download option you can see click on Virtualbox, download that one, next, and I'm going to skip that part because I know I trust in you. So download this here, and from here you download GenyMotion, both of them. So Virtualmotion and GenyMotion both will be downloaded, and now first what do you have to install is you have to install Virtualbox first, then you have to go ahead and jump on GenyMotion. After both of these things which has been installed, so what you have to do is, here you can see this is the icons which will come on side my desktop, that is GenyMotion Shield and GenyMotion, and second is Oracle Virtualbox. So first we have an open Virtualbox, so and say the newer version is okay. I don't want to download that newest version right now because it is inside the tutorial. Click on start, so it is going to start Virtualbox and it is going to take time, and probably it is and create a Virtualbox which is going to be helpful for me to open GenyMotion and wait for it to open it up. So it is booting kernel, so it is actually building an application which is been inside Linux. So it has been started, and there you can see Android is been showing over here. So now I'm going to go ahead and minimize both of them, and I'm going to click on GenyMotion. So right now GenyMotion will be helpful and start building it up. So all you have to do is click on settings and so on, click on start, and probably going to be open up a mobile phone inside your computer. So let's go for it. And there you can see that free version is available for personal use only. If you use business version, it is going to give you option of you need to buy this. So I'm not going to buy that one because you know you are actually learning how to make an application. Why should I pay for that? Because you're like me, watching this tutorial and learning how to make an Android application. So it is going to take some time, and as you can see it is actually launching an phone. So there you see a phone is been launched. So I know this video is going to be a bit longer because I showed you a different way how we can do that. And second thing, as you can see in Android virtual device, it is going to run it and it is going to take 1 or 2 minutes to run it, but this GenyMotion it is going to take like 15 to 20 seconds to run it. So that will be much more faster way how we can proceed and keep our development process much more faster. So right now next thing we have to do is we have to install GenyMotion inside our Android Studio. As you can see, you can't see GenyMotion and how you can run it. Click on start. It should give the GenyMotion option. As you can see, GenyMotion is been up and running, so it is actually connected right over here. So I don't want to run this one. Create like this Avd Manager inside my Android Studios and click on start, click on settings, and here and right over here and click on plugins. Inside my plugins, type right over here GenyMotion, then hit on enter, search in repository. So it is giving me the option that you can install GenyMotion inside your computer. So click on install, and it's saying you need to restart Android Studios and restart Android Studio. If not, apply it, hit OK and restart. So now it is going to take some time for me to open up Android Studio. So skip this part of Android Studio getting open. Alright then, my Android Studio has been restarted successfully and it is building the Gradle. As you can see the loading bar right over here. So right now it has been installed, and second thing you need to see is this icon over here has been added, GenyMotion Device Manager. So click on it and GenyMotion has been there. So all you have to do is give it a path wherever your GenyMotion has been there. So search wherever the GenyMotion has been there. So I'll skip this part. After you have given the path, all you have to do is click on start. From GenyMotion, click on OK, and your hello world will probably and open it right over here. So right now as you can see it is building right over here, but after that it has been built, give you hello world without even coding a single line of code. But all you have to do is download bunch of the things which have taken much of the time of yours. So as you can see inside my GenyMotion, this program is coming up with and saying hello world. So all it did, it actually open up Android Studio and it comes up with, as you can see, learn Android, and congratulations, you have successfully created an application inside and mobile phone application without even coding a single line. So here you have created an application which says hello world learn application. So I hope you try that out, and I'll see you guys next time. So this was the longer video, but it is actually helping me that how we can use and test out your application. So because this is going to be the very most important tool for learning purposes and for testing purposes as well. Second way of doing that is using your physical phone. I hope this video helps you out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you have any problem with that, comment it down below and explain you, or add the link from where you can download that one. So if not, I have a description which is going to link you of Virtualbox, GenyMotion and so on. So see you in the next one.